Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take a couple of minutes to show you what comes in the box for the products that we sell you guys each and every day. Today I have with me
Mike Hurwitz. Welcome back, Drew.
Hey! We've had a little bit of delay. You guys don't know that in YouTube land, but we haven't been here for a while. We're excited to be back and excited to bring
the Cub. Where are we today, Drew? Where are we shooting from?
I don't even know. I don't even know. Could be the Bahamas. It could be Tampa. I don't know. Who knows?
Tampa, I don't know.
I don't know. So, Mike, Cub's the brand. What's the product?
This is a revolutionary new product that's going to change the RV market. It is for... This is a new one. And I haven't really seen it much. I had to look it up because Rydeen, who's a huge player in the safety devices for vehicles, has come out with something for recreational vehicles. They partner up with Cub, that's why it's branded Cub, which you get from Rydeen, but they do it for travel trailers and motorhomes. So, which is pretty awesome because those things are huge and they scare me driving down the road like they're going to come in my lane. I feel better that they have a product like this.
You're the scariest driver I've ever been with, so the fact that they scare you is interesting to me. Let's talk real quick about the box. So, like Mike said, this is really a blind spot detection system for RVs. That's what this really, the kind of quick summary of it, what it is. It's a universal type kit, right? Made to fit most, if not all, extended side vehicles. So, box is great. It's got the main components on it. It does overall talk about how the system works here on this side to show you kind of the components. I think it's a white and blue box, and it's nice, and it'll go on a shelf, and it'll look good in the showrooms.
It's efficient because these are probably going to be put on by your expediters that do work at recreational vehicle places. You're probably buying a new RV or you're looking one. You probably never even see the box. It's going to be on your vehicle, and it's a solid made product. It's made by a solid company. So.
Yeah, you might have one on a shelf or something, but at the end of the day, to Mike's point, a lot of the guys that target RVs go for RVs, and they probably won't have as much of a showroom. But still a good thing to have because this does work for trailers as well. Mm-hmm. So anybody that's got a truck with a trailer, anyone doing fishing, anything like that, it'll work on those as well, correct?
Mm-hmm. All right. Now while you open it up, they also have lines for like your Ford trucks, Chevy trucks, and Dodge trucks. You could actually replace the taillight on some of the newer models, and even motorcycles.
Well, Mike, I figured while I was opening this up, you could tell the people at home an RV joke.
An RV joke?
An RV joke.
RV having fun?
Oh, my God.
Sorry.
That was...
Actually, I'm not sorry. I took the time to look it up.
You had to look that up?
But it was bad.
That was so bad.
I will agree with that.
That was so bad. Mike, what's that? I don't even want to talk to you right now.
These are the instructions.
Yeah, we don't need this. Oh, but there was a piece of 3M tape in there.
Piece of 3M tape to take.
What's this, Mikey?
I'm going to say this is the control module. Nice and small, very easy to hide. I mean, you're putting it in a, if you can have this mounted on a trailer or so, that's kind of nice. I mean, an RV, they're pretty big, but I imagine they pack so much stuff in there. Smaller devices, it is nice.
Mm-hmm. What you got there?
This is the display. So in your typical vehicle, brand new car, or if it's outfitted with an aftermarket part, typically has the lights either in the mirror or on the A-pillar. This one actually has a display that show left or right and also makes noise.
What are these guys?
These are actually mount onto the trailer or the RV, and they are breakaway, but it's actually the device that senses if there's a vehicle approaching you or if you're approaching a vehicle. And it's not only a blind spot detection, but it's also a lane change. I'm looking at your notes over there because I'm cheating.
Oh, here, you want my notes here? I have notes.
I'm not familiar with the terms, but one is when you have a vehicle just coming up, it just notifies you. The other one's when you actually have your turn signal on and you're trying to get over, and then it'll actually beep at you.
So one's blind spot indicators, right? And then the other use for it is actually for when you're actually going to switch lanes, you turn on your signals, it'll actually blop up as well. I do like that there's a left and right on them, so you know which one goes on the left and the right. It's on the sticker, not the light itself, so that's good to know.
But it is a really quality part. It looks like a part that would be factory, and even the look, it doesn't look like, you know, sometimes with aftermarket parts, you can be concerned putting it on your hundreds of $1,000 motorhome or even some of these trailers can be quite expensive.
It's important to know.
It looks factory.
I know a lot of people are thinking, wow, blind spot's usually a little light in my mirror. You need to remember that this is going on to RVs and trailers, much larger, commercially sized vehicles. They typically have much larger indicators just based on the size of the vehicle. So that's a good thing to note out. What are these, Mikey?
These are to seal it to the body so you don't get any moisture in there, intrusion on it. During our training, they talked about the extensive testing they do it as far as UV protection, so this won't fade. It'll last the vehicle itself.
All right, what are these?
That looks like the hardware that you need to attach it. Actually, these look like the beauty cut clips that actually they go over these bolt holes right here. So you put the bolts on. Actually come with the finishing piece, little beauty caps, so you can see the screw. Pretty nice. Very all-inclusive kit.
I can't wait to see someone put this box back together.
The good thing it's not us doing it.
Do you remember, Mike, how many feet of cable is there?
40 feet.
40
they
feet.
Make different ones. So depending on if it's for a trailer or an RV, they make different kits, and then you get them from 22 to 50 feet. There's different incrementals on them. We carry these here at Dow Electronics, and they're ready to go. Just so that if you do have a job, you can get it done right away.
You got all these to go through, buddy. You got a lot of work to do. I hope you did your homework.
I did not do my homework, but it's an all-inclusive kit. So these are designed. We've been partnered with this company for a long time, and they specialize to make sure it's a complete all-inclusive kit that you have everything you need to install them. Installing these for retailers, it's very important to have a timely manner and have everything you need, because when you're going out to a dealership, whether it's a new car dealership for automobiles or for recreation vehicles, you want to make sure you have everything you have, because going back and forth to the shop or having to order parts wastes time. And that's one of the things that a lot of our retailers like this company, because it's all inclusive.
Yeah, and it does have an audible tone as well. So it's not just a light. There's an audible tone that comes out of this as well, which is a nice piece. This is actually your radar unit, right? Your brain here. Everything's going to plug into this. This goes into the cab, I believe, into the car. Then you've got your outside pieces, and then all your wire harnesses that go with it. Again, like Mike mentioned, 40 feet of extension should fit any vehicles that you guys are out there using. They do have a breakaway kit, right, for if you have a wider vehicle as well. So I think that
weather connections and all that, all very high quality stuff.
Looks
like it's made for the vehicle, like by that original manufacturer.
So the best thing for us is talk about where it's valuable for you guys. I think sometimes we leave that out of these, and while not everybody's touching RVs, I think trailers are a huge missed market for this, especially in the Southeast where boating is as big as it is. So anybody that comes in with a trailer, this is a great add-on option to that. I think you got a lot of different possibilities for this. We're excited to get it out into the market. It's a newer item. You guys do have the opportunity to win it. How do they win it, Mike?
You have to give any type of comment that helps us identify what retail you are. So it could be your account number, it could be your name, anything that let us know who you are. And please don't forget, if you like what we're doing here, you like that we give away products, please like, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe.
We always appreciate the subscribers the most.
I appreciate them. You know what else I like about this? Because there's people that want to get out there and go do RVing, and they might be scared to drive a large vehicle or a large trailer on this. This helps them maybe a little bit put their mind at ease. So we're pretty excited. All our retailers that do sell to RV dealerships, or sometimes we sell directly to them, that they can get this out in front of their customers, and hopefully they get more interested in doing RVing type stuff. All that fun stuff.
Again, thank you to the guys over at Cub.
Thank you guys.
The Cubbies. We appreciate the product. Again, comment with your name, your dealer number, any way we can indicate who you are, and we'll raffle this off, get it out to one lucky winner. So thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
See you guys. Thank you.